In a bustling city cafe, a polyglot dives into a micro lesson designed for busy lives. First, a tiny challenge isolates the English TH sound and demonstrates 3 quick mouth shapes with breath cues. Then it contrasts 2 root languages, revealing false friends through a memorable visual cue that sticks. A real-life mini dialogue shows greetings across 5 languages in 1 minute with smooth switches and practical tips. Finally, the video debunks the myth that adults can't learn languages and invites viewers to start one micro habit today.